I just broke it.
Okay.
David?
Yes, I don't know why, I just do.
I like these.
You're dumb as fuck.
You should make a video of her ass.
Huh?
You should just make a video of her ass.
Run his ID.
Here's her ass. Oh my god.
I want his ID.
He just looked at you. Like the fuck? Hey look, there's our bus. The fuck?
I don't want to ride that bus, I want to ride the other bus.
I do too. You just want me to keep it there?
Yeah.
Hey you guys.
Just tell the little bitch ass he's gonna get drunk.
You're summoned.
Shut the fuck on. Shut the fuck up.
Hi Myra.
Who the fuck you calling?
You don't want to go to school. You don't want to go to school.
Why?
You.
Oh my god, I was
He's high as fuck.
Oh shit. Is there any possible way he could like get you to do
He's
jumping
high as
jacks?
fuck. Hey Michaela.
So was Seneca. High school.
Just do two.
I don't want to get on that bus. I want to get on the other bus. The second bus? If there is. I don't think there is. Fuck you.
Fuck.
Oh, that's funny.
Hi Miguel. Miguel. Fuck you.
That is not a D. You are tripping. That is not a D. Anyone believe that this right here is a D?
Yeah.
That is not a goddamn D.
She's seen my boobs. She knows it's a D.
I haven't seen them. Okay, so I wouldn't know.
It's a Z, you dumb shit.
It's a Z.
It's a Z.
It's a
Oh my
fucking
god.
Y.
It's a triple Z.
Triple.
Oh my god, that's so fucking big. I know. Why aren't my boobs out to here then?
I don't know.
Those are too big. You could like
What?
fucking slap them.
mood today.
Yeah.
If I drop my phone, you're paying for it.